Welcome to Decorio Studio, where we bring you the best home decor ideas and inspirations for every season. Today we are exploring my entire winter home decor tour to show you how I achieve fresh vibes after the Christmas rush. Let us dive into a serene world of cozy textures and neutral tones to refresh your living space. Stripping back the red and green. The first step to a fresh winter look is removing the vibrant holiday colors that dominated December. We are saying goodbye to the bright reds and deep greens to create a blank canvas for our new design. This process helps clear the mental clutter and allows us to focus on a more minimalist winter aesthetic. By clearing out the ornaments and tinsel, we make room for a more sophisticated and calm atmosphere. It is important to let the room breathe before we start adding in our winter-specific elements. This transition phase is essential for moving from a festive holiday feel to a peaceful January sanctuary that feels light and open. The neutral color palette. Transitioning to a neutral color palette is the key to achieving that crisp winter feeling. I am focusing on whites, creams, and soft grays to mimic the peacefulness of a snowy landscape outside. These shades help to bounce light around the room, making the space feel much larger and more inviting during the shorter days. Incorporating different shades of beige can add warmth without overwhelming the senses like the holiday colors did. Think of using oatmeal or stone tones to provide a subtle contrast against white walls. This palette creates a timeless look that feels incredibly fresh and sophisticated while maintaining a very cozy vibe for the colder months of the year. To keep the look from feeling flat, I like to mix different undertones of these neutral colors. Combining cool grays with warm ivories creates a balanced and dynamic environment that feels curated. This approach ensures that your home feels intentional and stylish rather than just empty after the decorations are put away for the season. Layering chunky knit textures. One of my favorite ways to add comfort is by layering various chunky knit textures throughout the seating areas. Throws and pillows and heavy knits provide a tactile experience that makes you want to curl up with a book. These items are functional for staying warm and visually beautiful as decor pieces. I recommend draped oversized blankets over the back of your sofa or the edge of your bed for an effortless look. The weave of the fabric adds a layer of complexity to the room that keeps the neutral palette interesting. It is all about creating a sensory experience that feels both soft and substantial under your touch. Do not be afraid to mix different types of knits like cable stitches and pom-pom details. These variations in texture prevent the room from looking too uniform and add a touch of personality. Texture is the secret ingredient that turns a cold room into a snug winter retreat without needing any bright colors or flashy patterns. Winter greenery and branches. Just because Christmas is over does not mean we have to get rid of all the plants. I love using winter greenery like eucalyptus or simple pine branches in clear glass vases. This brings a touch of nature indoors and adds a subtle pop of life to your tables and shelves. Dried florals are another fantastic option for winter decor because they require zero maintenance and last all season. Look for pampas grass or cotton stems to add height and a soft wispy texture to your arrangements. These natural elements bridge the gap between the outdoors and your cozy interior spaces beautifully and simply. Empty branches in a large flower vase can also serve as a striking sculptural element in a corner. They provide a structural look that feels very modern and clean, which fits the post-holiday vibe perfectly. Nature-inspired decor is a great way to keep the home feeling fresh and vibrant even during the coldest winter months. Setting a cozy lighting mood. Lighting is crucial during the winter when natural light is scarce, so I focus on creating a warm glow. Using floor lamps and table lamps with warm-toned bulbs helps to eliminate harsh shadows. This creates an intimate atmosphere that feels very welcoming when you come home from the cold. Symmetry in lighting can also help create a sense of order and peace in your living room or bedroom. Placing matching lamps on either side of a console table provides a balanced look that is pleasing to the eye. It is all about layering light sources to achieve the perfect level of brightness for relaxing or entertaining guests. I also enjoy using smart bulbs to adjust the intensity and warmth of the light throughout the evening. This allows you to transition from a bright functional space to a dim, cozy sanctuary with ease. Proper lighting can completely transform the mood of a room, making it feel much more high-end and comfortable during the winter. The magic of scented candles. Nothing sets the winter mood quite like the flicker of a candle and a beautiful scent. I prefer scents that are clean and crisp like cedar wood or sandalwood to replace the heavy cinnamon smells of Christmas. These aromas help to purify the air and create a relaxing environment for your home. Grouping candles of different heights on a tray creates a lovely centerpiece for your coffee table or dining area. The dancing flames add a sense of movement and life to the room that feels very magical. It is a simple and affordable way to elevate your winter decor while engaging your sense of smell. Soy candles are a great choice as they burn cleaner and longer than traditional wax options. You can find them in beautiful ceramic or glass jars that double as decor pieces once the candle is finished. Scent is a powerful tool for making your home feel like a true sanctuary away from the outside world. Refreshing the mantel display. The mantel is often the focal point of the room, so it needs a fresh update after the stockings are gone. I like to keep it simple with a large mirror and a few well-placed decorative objects. This creates a clean and sophisticated look that does not feel cluttered or busy. Adding some metallic accents like brass or silver can give the mantel a touch of elegance and light. These reflective surfaces help to brighten up the space and add a bit of winter sparkle. It is all about finding a balance between minimalism and style to create a display that feels current and fresh for January. You can also lean some minimalist artwork or framed photography against the wall for a casual yet curated feel. This allows you to swap out pieces easily as the seasons change without needing to hang new frames. A refreshed mantel can change the entire energy of your living room, making it feel brand new for the year. Bedroom sanctuary updates. Your bedroom should be the ultimate winter sanctuary, so I focus on making it extra plush. Swapping out light summer sheets for flannel or heavy cotton versions adds immediate warmth. Adding a faux fur throw at the foot of the bed provides an extra layer of luxury and comfort for cold nights. I also like to update the bedside tables with a few fresh books and a small bud vase. Keeping the nightstand clutter-free helps to promote a restful night's sleep and a calm morning. Small changes in the bedroom can have a big impact on your overall well-being and how you feel in your home. Consider adding a soft area rug next to the bed so your feet land on something warm in the morning. This tactile addition makes the room feel much more finished and cozy. Creating a beautiful and comfortable bedroom is the best way to embrace the slow pace of the winter season and prioritize your self-care. Coffee table styling tips. Styling your coffee table is a great way to show off your personality with winter-themed items. I use a wooden tray to corral a few art books, a candle, and a small bowl of pine cones. This keeps the look organized and prevents the table from feeling messy or overwhelming to the eye. Varying the heights of the objects on your tray creates visual interest and keeps the display dynamic. You can use a stack of books to give a small object more presence and height. It is a fun way to experiment with different arrangements until you find the one that feels just right for your space. Adding a natural element like a piece of driftwood or a unique stone can bring an organic feel to the table. These items provide a nice contrast to the more polished decor pieces and add a bit of character. A well-styled coffee table is the perfect finishing touch for a cohesive and beautiful winter living room. Final walkthrough and reflections. As we finish our tour, I hope you feel inspired to refresh your own home for the winter. Transitioning your decor after Christmas is a wonderful way to start the new year with a clear mind and a beautiful space. Take a moment to enjoy the peace and quiet of your newly styled home. It is amazing how a few simple changes in color and texture can completely transform the vibe of a room. By focusing on neutrals and natural elements, you create a timeless look that will carry you through the rest of the season. Remember that your home should be a reflection of your personal style and a place of comfort. Thank you so much for joining me on this winter home decor tour today. If you enjoyed these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment with your favorite winter decor tip. Do not forget to share this video and subscribe to Decorio Studio for more home inspiration. See you in the next one.